Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Summer is better when you have your own relaxing space to cool down, unwind, and enjoy sunny days without leaving home. Discover the best inflatable pool for adults that combines comfort, durability, and style for ultimate backyard relaxation this season. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. SELLOTZ Inflatable Pool for Adult. The SELLOTZ Inflatable Pool for Adult is a practical and spacious option for families who want to turn their backyard into a refreshing summer retreat. Measuring 120 by 72 by 22 inches, with a 312-gallon capacity, it comfortably fits 2 adults and several kids, making it ideal for family gatherings or weekend fun. The rectangular design provides ample room for splashing, relaxing, or even letting pets cool off. Built with BPA-free, phthalate-free materials that meet international toy safety standards, the pool feels sturdy and reliable. Its thicker construction helps reduce punctures and extends its lifespan, which is important for frequent seasonal use. Setup is straightforward. Just spread it on level ground and inflate with an electric pump in a few minutes. 3 individual air chambers add structural support and minimize air leakage, while the 90-degree vertical drain pipe and dual water valves make draining quick and hassle-free. Overall, this pool balances size, safety, and durability, offering a dependable way to enjoy summer at home. Number 2. Toysical Blow Pool for Adult. The Toysical Blow Pool for Adult is designed with family comfort and durability in mind, offering a roomy layout that accommodates up to 2 adults and 3 children. With a generous 312-gallon capacity, it transforms an ordinary backyard into a lively water play zone during hot days. The pool's 0.4mm thick material stands out, providing enhanced strength compared to many standard inflatable pools. This added thickness helps prevent tears and sagging, giving users more confidence during active play. Stability is further improved with 3 separate air chambers that support the structure evenly and help maintain shape even when the pool is filled to capacity. The design focuses on simple enjoyment, easy inflation, straightforward maintenance, and enough space for both kids and adults to relax comfortably. Whether hosting a small gathering or enjoying quiet family time, this inflatable pool delivers dependable performance and long-lasting use. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a balance of size, durability, and everyday convenience.
Number 3. Members 10 Feet Pool for Adult. The Members 10 Feet Pool for Adult offers a more comfort-focused design, making it a great choice for those who want relaxation along with fun. Its inflated size of 120 by 110 by 18 inches provides generous space, while the built-in air-cushioned backrests and comfortable seats create a lounge-like experience rarely found in inflatable pools. The Members 10 Feet Pool for Adult offers a more comfort-focused design, making it a great choice for those who want relaxation along with fun. Made from durable, puncture-resistant materials, the pool is built to withstand regular summer use. The 2-in-1 valve system simplifies inflation and deflation, saving time during setup and storage. A convenient drain plug makes emptying the pool easy once the fun is over, and the included repair patch adds peace of mind for minor mishaps. Its wide, rounded structure gives it a unique appearance compared to standard rectangular pools. For families looking for comfort and functionality combined, this pool delivers a relaxed and enjoyable backyard experience. Number 4. StarOcean Durable Pool for Adult. The StarOcean Durable Pool for Adult stands out with its innovative solar-powered, color-changing lighting feature, adding a unique ambiance to evening swims. Unlike standard inflatable pools, this model offers up to 8 hours of illumination after a full charge, creating a visually appealing backyard setting without additional pool lights. Measuring 100 by 63 by 20 inches, it comfortably fits 2 adults and provides enough space for children to enjoy as well. Constructed from 0.35mm thick PVC, the material enhances durability while helping maintain water temperature by blocking cold from the ground. 3 individual air chambers strengthen the structure, reducing sagging and minimizing air leakage. Setup and storage are simple, allowing users to inflate, deflate, and store the pool with minimal effort. Its versatile design even allows it to double as an indoor ball pit when not used for water. This pool blends durability with creative design, making it an appealing option for families looking for something different.
Number 5. Sloosh Durable Pool for Adult. The Sloosh Durable Pool for Adult is built for larger families who want maximum space and comfort in their backyard. With dimensions of 120 inches by 72 inches by 22 inches and an impressive 370 gallon capacity, it accommodates up to 4 adults and 3 children, making it perfect for gatherings and weekend relaxation. The UV protection material helps maintain color vibrancy and durability under direct sunlight, extending the pool's lifespan during hot summer months. A standout feature is the inflatable bench seat, offering added comfort for adults who prefer to sit and relax while supervising kids. 3 air chambers provide enhanced stability and prevent sagging, ensuring a secure and balanced structure even when filled near capacity. The pool is easy to inflate and deflate, allowing for convenient storage when not in use. Combining generous capacity, thoughtful comfort features, and durable construction, this model delivers a well-rounded backyard swimming experience for families seeking both fun and practicality.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect inflatable pool to relax and refresh at home. Check the links in the description for today's top picks, compare features, and choose the one that fits your space, budget, and lifestyle. Stay cool and enjoy every splash.